We have covered a wide range of communication skills, but let's be honest, email is still the king of digital workplace. It's fast, convenient, and essential for getting things done. However, it's also easy to miscommunicate or make a bad impression if you're not following proper email etiquettes. Today, we'll explain the do's and don'ts of email communication, exploring best practices that will help you write professional, effective, and respectful emails. The golden rule of email etiquettes. Let's start with some fundamental principles that should guide all of your email interactions. Professionalism. Always maintain a professional tone, even in informal emails. Avoid using slangs, emojis, or excessive exclamation marks. Respect. Treat your recipient with respect, regardless of their position or relationship to you. Use polite language and avoid sarcasm or negativity. Clarity. Get to the point quickly and clearly. Use concise language and avoid rambling or unnecessary details. Conciseness. Respect your recipient's time. Keep your emails as brief as possible while conveying your message effectively. Accuracy. Proofread your emails carefully before sending. Check for typos, grammatical errors, and factual inaccuracies. Crafting effective emails, from subject line to signature. Now let's break down the key elements of a well-crafted email. Subject line. Your subject line is your email's headline. Make it clear, specific, and relevant to the content of your email. Greeting. Start with professional greetings such as "Dear" followed by name, "Hello" followed by name, or "Hi" followed by name. Opening. Get to the point quickly in your opening paragraph. State the purpose of your email and the main information you want to convey. Body. Elaborate your main points, providing any necessary detail or supporting information. Use short paragraphs and bullet points for easy reading. Closing. Summarize your key points and clearly state an action item or next steps. End with a professional closing such as "Sincerely," "Best regards," or "Thank you." Signature. Include a professional email signature with your name, title, company, and contact information. Additional email etiquette tips. Here are some additional tips to keep in mind. Reply promptly. Respond to emails in a timely manner, ideally within 24 hours. Use reply all sparingly. Only use reply all when your response is relevant to everyone on the email thread. Avoid sharing large attachments. If you need to send a large file, use a file sharing service or compress the file before attaching it. Be mindful of your tone. Emails can easily be misinterpreted. Be mindful of your tone and avoid using language that could be perceived as negative or aggressive. Using BCC appropriately. Use BCC, blind carbon copy, when you need to send an email to a large group of people without revealing their email addresses to each other.